All right, we are back with another creative video editing tutorial. I'm really excited about this one because I think it's very cool and it's also pretty simple to recreate. So this is the one that we're gonna recreate.
Miss, you forgot something.
Thank you.
Okay, so first things first, we need to have all the equipment and all the props that we need, right? So number one, we need a tripod and a phone, of course. And the tripod that I like to use is the Joby brand tripod because it has a really cool 360 mount that can allow you to create content or record from different angles. It's very durable, and it also has a built-in level to make sure that your clips or your videos are properly framed and even. You also need a couple pieces of tape to mark the floor where you're going to be standing so that you are standing in the same place every single time throughout all the clips that you're going to be recording. Okay, so now it's time to record your clips. You want to make sure that you are standing in the center of the frame, and you want to make sure you're far enough away so that people can see the gradual progression of the items being added to the frame. And you want to make sure you have enough headroom to add any type of title hook or text that you want to add to your video. So the first clip that you're going to record is a clip of you looking to the side and then placing your hand over your mouth as if you are shocked. You want to make sure you have no items visible in this clip because you're going to add those items along the way. Make sure you capture 5 seconds of your hand covering your mouth. After that, you're going to record 5 seconds with each item or prop being added to the video, and you're going to keep your hand over your mouth. In this example, I'm adding my tripod, I'm adding headphones, I'm adding a microphone, I'm adding a phone in my hand. So based on your niche or whatever props you want to use, you're going to add each item one by one, and you're going to record yourself for 5 seconds for each of those items that are added to the video. For the very last clip, you want to just record yourself standing in front of the camera saying thank you or lip syncing thank you and then walking off the screen, or you can just do whatever it is that you want. As a matter of fact, you can just have fun with these clips and you can look off to the left or look off to the right. You can make slight movements while keeping your hand over your mouth just to keep your video extra engaging and keep people's attention on your video. Okay, now it's time to edit the video. So I'm going to do a screen share to show you the step-by-step process of editing this video to make sure that it comes out perfect. All right, so now it's time to edit, and I'm actually going to upload my clips into the Instagram Reels editor because that's where the audio for this video actually is, and it's just easier to do it that way. But of course, you can use a third-party app, editing app of your choice. You can always screen record the audio from Instagram and then export it as an audio into your video editing platform of choice, and then you can edit the clips accordingly like that. But I prefer to do it on Instagram. So I am actually going to link the audio in the description so that way you can easily find it. But I do apologize in advance if at the time that you see this and you click the link, the audio is no longer available. Sometimes that happens with Instagram, the audios come and go. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and upload all of these clips that we just recorded to Instagram, all right, to the Instagram Reels editor, and then we're going to hit next, all right? We're going to skip the part where it offers the audio, right? It usually offers you an audio to use, but we're not going to do that at all. What we're actually going to do is we're going to tap on the audio plus sign, and I already have this audio saved. So I'm going to go to my save folder, and I'm going to select this first audio right here. All right. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and upload that and hit done. Okay, so that's there. We have the audio. Now, what I like to do is I like to pinch and spread the audio or the this little audio bar so that way I can see the sound waves a little bit more clearly, or a lot more clearly. So I can actually see where those bubble pops are taking place, those bubble pops. So you can see there's a bubble pop here, and then here, and then here. And we do this so that we can properly align our cuts with the bubble pop so that everything is in sync. And that makes the video so much more engaging. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, well, let me drag this audio back. All right, here we go. Let's just look at it real quick.
You forgot something. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So this is what we're going to do. All right. So the first clip, all right, we want to make sure that the first clip pretty much cuts right where that first bubble pop takes place. So let's see.
Forgot something.
Okay, cool. So it happens right here. Okay. So what we want to do is we're going to tap the video. We're going to hit split and we're going to get rid of that back part. All right. So I'm going to discard that. Let's play it.
You forgot something.
Boom. Okay, cool. So that first pop happens. Now we go to the second clip and we want to make sure that we trim the beginning of the second clip to where the hand is already covering the mouth. And let's see. All right. And then we want to cut it right when that next bubble pop happens. So here we go. Right here. So we're going to go back a little bit. We're going to tap. We're going to split, delete that back part. And then we're going to wash, rinse, and repeat that process for every clip. And we're going to align it with these bubble pops. So I'm going to speed ahead and then we're going to get to the end and I'll show you how this all turns out. All right, I think I have got it down packed. So what I did was I made sure that I cut each clip with each additional item being included in the clip. I made sure I cut it as best as I possibly could to be in sync with all these bubble pops. And then of course, for that last clip where I say thank you, I make sure that me mouthing thank you is aligned with when the audio says thank you. So check this out.
Thank you.
Boom. And then I walk off the screen. So let's look at the video in its entirety and let's see how good we did.
You forgot something. Thank you.
Perfect. All right. So that is the final edit and it looks absolutely great. Everything is in sync. The cuts match the pace of the audio. The lip syncing is also well timed as well. So this is definitely something that will grab a lot of attention if you recreate it. And you can recreate this no matter what niche you're in. If you're a lifestyle creator, if you're a service or product-based business owner, either way, this is super engaging. It's also a lot of fun to create and you can definitely get a lot of engagement from your audience. So give this one a try. All right, that wraps up this creative video editing tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and I'm excited for you to give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tutorial and if it was helpful. And do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date and in the loop with my future content tips, strategies, and tutorials to help you grow as a content creator and grow your brand and your business on social media. All right. With that said, I'll see you on the next one. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's grow. Peace.